Hello, Shannon here from Nature's Corner, coming to you live from our concession stand here at Rob Wallace Park. And today we're going to be talking about the rock cycle. Now, when you think of cycles, most people think of just living things going through cycles, but rocks do as well. Here, let me show you the rock cycle right here. So there are three stages that rocks go through. They're a sedimentary rock that over time changes to a metamorphic rock, and over time changes to an igneous rock and starts again. And we're going to talk about how this process happens using starburst. So rocks are just sediment all squished together for one reason or another. So we're going to make a sedimentary rock, and all you have to do is take bits of starburst and you just squeeze it together. They're usually just made mostly by pressure in the earth. Woo, lost a little piece, that's okay. So I'm going to make a sedimentary rock, and I'm going to put it right here on our rock cycle. So sedimentary rock are just sediments or bits of smaller rock and particles squished together. Now over time, more heat and pressure is added, and those sediments become even more uniform or the same throughout, and you get a metamorphic rock. So this, even though it's starburst, represents a metamorphic rock. I just squished the sediments together and blew on them hard and to make it nice and warm and get more of a uniform rock. So I'm going to put it right there on our rock cycle. Now, over time, if you get extreme heat like you would from a volcano, these rocks can become so heated that they become a liquid. And inside the earth, it's called the magma. And it may come out as in the form of lava and harden. And that's how you get an igneous rock. Now we're going to demonstrate that using 3 starbursts in the microwave. So I'm going to go put these in the microwave. And if you want to try this at home, I believe it's about 20 seconds. Let's see, we'll try. And so these rocks are becoming overheated, and over time they will become a liquid. Now if you're doing this at home, make sure your parents are helping you because it becomes very hot, okay? Over time that will cool, but when you first take them out, it's very hot. So they're heating, there they go. I know you probably can't see in our microwave, but it's starting to bubble and heat and become kind of a hot and liquidy mess. Here we go. Now I'm going to be careful when I take it out. I'm going to take this little edge here. And right now, if this were real in the real life, this would be basically the lava. But over time it will harden and cool and become our igneous rock. So let's review one more time our life cycle of rocks. Well, I don't want to say life cycle, the rock cycle. So you have bits of particles of rocks that come together to make sedimentary rock with lots of pressure. Over time, you add more heat and pressure, you get a metamorphic rock. Over lots of heat and lots of time and lots of pressure, the rock will liquefy, come out of a volcano in the form of lava, cool, and become igneous rock. And over time, that will break back up into sediment, and it starts again. Now I have a few examples I'll show to you quickly. Some examples of sedimentary rock. Look right here. You have limestone, a conglomerate, which is just a bunch of bits of little pieces, and you have some shale. Some examples of metamorphic rock you might find around here is schist, tiger's eye. You might find marble or some slate. And some examples of igneous rock are granite, feldspar, and quartz, and you can find a lot of quartz around here. So that does it for today. Thank you for coming, and I'll see you guys next time.